Hello friends, I am Rameshwar Bausaheb Kapre, Assistant Professor, Sadguru College of Agriculture, Mirzgaon. Today we have to discuss another important oilseed crop, linseed and safflower. In this linseed, the first pest or only one major pest, name of this pest linseed gallfly. Linseed in Marathi meaning Javas. Scientific name Dasynuria lini, family Cecidomyidae, order Diptera. In this Diptera, this pest life cycle completed in 4 stages: egg, maggots, pupa and adult. Means 4 stages, also known as complete types of metamorphosis. Only maggots damaging stage of this pest. Oviposition on floral buds, flowers and developing capsules. Pupation in galls or soil in silken cocoons. Host plant linseed only, means these are the monophagous pest. Linseed gallfly damage to only linseed crop means monophagous pest. Monophagous means insect or pest feed only one crop. These are the important to the objective type questions. Nature of damage: maggots damage floral buds and causes gall formation. After hatching of the eggs, these maggots damage to the floral buds and causing the gall forming symptoms. Management practices: spraying the crop with 0.03% dimethoates. These are the most important for control the linseed gallfly. And another importance: early sowing and use of light trap for control the linseed gallfly. Second oilseed crop, safflower. This safflower in Marathi meaning kardai. Scientific name Eurolycon compositae. Aphid, these are the major sucking pest. Scientific name of safflower aphid Eurolycon compositae, family Aphididae, order Hemiptera. Host plant safflower, Niger, sesamum, citrus and other ornamental plants. See the damaging symptoms on aphids on safflower crop. Nature of damage: nymphs and adults suck the cell sap. After sucking, change in leaves color greenish to yellow, and these nymphs and adults secrete the sugary substance or honeydew-like substance on leafy portions and develops on black sooty mold on Capnodium fungus. And this black sooty mold create the blackish coating on upper surface of leaves. It's affect the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. Management practices: most important management practices: early sowing in the first week of October. These are the objective type questions. Early sowing in the first week of October for control the safflower aphid. In drought prone areas, sowing in second week of September is recommended. Spraying with 0.03% dimethoates 30 EC or 0.05% quinol phos 25 EC for control the safflower aphid. In this safflower, only one major pest, name of this pest safflower aphid, and linseed, only one major pest, name of this pest linseed gallfly. Okay, thank you.